What up, Blockheads? Coming to you after the holidays. And it has been about a week since I've ridden a motorcycle. So this kind of feels weird. Oh, you were about to go, bro. You were about to get hit by that car. Looks like you've done that a couple times to people. Hence all the marks on the back of your bumper. Looks like people have hit you. I will not be one of those people. Pro tip. Whenever you're taking a right or a left on intersections like this, more than likely a right, because that's when a lot of people get rear-ended. Don't watch down there. Watch that guy. Watch him first, or the person in front of you first, until they're gone. And watch them leave. Like, look, I'm watching him leave. Bye-bye. So I know I'm not going to rear-end him. I know I'm next. So many people freaking rear-end other people because they do what that guy just did right there. He'll basically start to pull out. He won't actually go. And then the person will think that they went and continue to try and go, and all of a sudden, boom, rear-ended because they're looking this way instead of at the person in front of them. I really need to do a city driving episode, or city riding episode rather. Tips to riding in city traffic, blah blah blah. Christmas bicycles, yay! So yeah, it's after the holidays here in Central Florida, and 2018, man, it's crazy. Starting the new year with a lot of goals and resolutions, but yeah, we just got back from the holidays in South Florida. Went to go visit my parents and my family. You know how they say it's like a break or vacation? Dude, you know what? Wasn't actually a break or vacation. Like, this is the most relaxed day that I've had. We came back to Orlando a day early. It's been finally relaxed mode. It was a lot of fun being down there. So yeah, Miss Block and I were down there for like a week, and it's weird not riding. I mean, usually I try to ride pretty much like hell every day if I can. Every other day. More recently, it's been getting cold. It's been getting crazy cold, especially for here in Florida. Now I know, anytime us Southerners say cold, you Northerners pretty much attack us. But it's getting down to freezing temps, man. And it was actually flurries, snow flurries in Sarasota, which is very weird. Oh, there's a cop ahead of me. Huh. Yeah, I was just catching up to you, bro. Anyways, so yeah, finally back up in Central Florida. Gonna get back into the normal swing of things. Back to the normal work grind, you know, the 9 to 5. Miss Block and I have already started working on her bike. So another weather update for you guys. It's currently like 40 something, high 40s. I've got a sweater on underneath my regular jacket. My regular jacket is like a freaking, it's a mesh textile jacket. So basically it's pointless in keeping wind or air out. So I'm a little chilly right now, my legs especially. So yeah, I'm just on the way to get the mail. This is going to be just a totally mindless episode, if it's an episode at all. You guys have been responding super well to a couple of the recent videos. The Harley 48 video got a lot of love. Let's see what else. The resolutions video got a lot of love, and some suggestions as well. So lots of suggestions from you guys, which is always appreciated. Thank you much. And what else? Yeah, overall the channel's been doing really well. We hit 30,000 subscribers before our mark, which is cool. Yeah, it was projected that we were going to hit 30,000 subs. Did that cop turn right? Yeah, it was projected that we were going to hit 30,000 subscribers at on January 1st. But you guys ended up smashing that and beat that by about 400 subscribers, so thank you guys, I appreciate it. Yeah, we're just carrying on as we normally would. It's funny, man, this morning, basically wake up early, flooded, wait, fall. Right. Yeah, so this morning woke up, had to wake up kind of early. Eric Blockhead came over because he took care of our our cats while we were out. Oh. I needed an awesome job, so Eric, thank you so much, man. Both Miss Block and I greatly appreciate that. You're a very good animal caregiver. Those of you guys out there that have animals, you know that like if you're leaving for an extended period of time and you can't actually take your animals, how hard it is to find somebody that actually takes care of your animals like you would, you know? Eric Blockhead is a solid dude. Trusted him with that responsibility and he did amazingly, so thank you, man. Like I said, Ms. Block and I greatly appreciate it. We'll be sorting you out with a gift hopefully before this video comes out as a show of our appreciation. Anyways, I'm just on the way to get the mail right now. What the hell? A terrible part of the road. But I figured, man, I just need like a leisurely ride out to somewhere, get back on the bike, clear my head a little bit before I jump back into the work grind, because it's about to be crazy busy this incoming week. It's funny, I was a little nervous getting back on the bike, which is weird. I'm sure a lot of you guys can probably relate to that, you know, not having been on the bike for a while and then getting back on it. But I wasn't nervous because I'm like, oh yeah, man, I haven't ridden in a while. I was nervous because I woke up, Ms. Block ended up having to go run some errands, and so I'm just kind of like chilling on the couch watching some YouTube videos, you know, catching up to some of the creators, the motovloggers and stuff that I'm subscribed to. Somehow, like after all the ones that I queued up to play were done, somehow it started playing like motorcycle, like close calls and fails and stuff. And so it was a ton of just these videos, the compilations of these guys basically riding and like people cutting them off or almost hitting them. Like this one dude pulls out in front of this guy and they both hit their brakes so hard and the front of the car and the front of the bike actually like hit one another, but just barely. So they got super lucky, but it's crazy, man. But after watching just like, seriously, it just kept on auto playing each episode, and I probably sat there and watched like a good hour of that. Just people getting into these close calls with total idiots. And the common denominator is always that they're not paying attention. It's always the same damn thing, not paying attention. But yeah, man, like so many people like on their phones, they're just not paying attention whenever they pull out onto a road, something like that. It's just, it's scary, man. It's scary to watch and see that stuff. Alright, be right back. Need to put these things on, well, these things, I mean bikes, on some battery tenders. Being gone that long, didn't start any of them. This one had a little bit of trouble starting up. Cadillac ATS 2-liter turbo. I used to have that car and it sucked. It was garbage. On the phone. So I guess back to what I was originally talking about, people being on the phone while driving, you know. So a majority of those videos of, what the hell was it called, like Moto Madness, I think. But so a majority of those were from people being on the phone, much as this guy is right here, right? Got me thinking. I've had a couple close encounters, you know, people running me off the road and stuff like that, and compared to the way those people responded, man, I was nice and level-headed. Some of those guys, dude, they take those people's freaking rearview mirrors, their little side mirrors, you know, just whack, smashing them off. I would say I was a little more level-headed whenever I had my conversations with the women. I don't know, coincidentally enough, it's been both women that have run me off the road or tried to run me over. What's with that? Definitely a little more, those videos, people get a little more hot-headed. Man, this one guy was pissed. Thought he was going to just go crazy. Thinking about getting these little, like, cards made that basically say, like, I don't know, some statistics to hand people that are, like, on their phone. Just be like, hey, man, check out this card. You know, you're, like, 70% more likely to get into an accident because of being distracted by your phone. And I'm like 100% more likely to die if you hit me with your damn car. I'll slow down a bit, see if this guy's still on his phone. He's doing the look down. Oh, looks like he's looking straight. Surprising. Wow, it's very surprising. He must be on Bluetooth. Good for him. Good job, sir. I salute you. Anyways, I don't know if I were to make little cards or something like that. I know there's a couple of motovloggers that have like Walterific has the "Hey, caution me" or something like that, and it shows like a little dude on a motorcycle. Looks like a little street sign. And then I know like 6'4" Honda has a thing that says, "If you can read this, please back the f*** up." Just cool. What are you doing? No blinker? Nice. Jab. I don't know. I guess along those lines, making something for these damn Orlando drivers, you know, all these cagers. What do you guys think it should say? If we were to make like a shirt or I don't know, some cards or something. Freaking road is too cold to take these turns like super spiritedly. Spiritedly. It's a fun term. Anyways, I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of this ride, so shut up. You guys let me know your thoughts. Make like a, basically like, you know, like a little spam card, something that I would like pull out of here and hand the person and be like, "Hey, you're a douche. Get off your phone." Or, "Hey, you almost hit me, pay attention." Or, "Hey, you're gonna be on YouTube because you're an idiot." Too many people in close calls, man. It's like I have too many friends now that ride motorcycles that there just needs to be like a mass education to like everybody that drives a car. It's like, how do you get through them? A little "watch out for motorcycles" stickers? Nah, I don't give a shit about those. The only people that see those are people that ride motorcycles, and then they're like, "All right, good job, I like you." Anyways, you guys let me know your thoughts. What do you think it should say? What would you have it say? From like a card design to like a t-shirt and all that stuff. Probably try to keep the profanity to a minimum, since I mean, I usually try to be a little more level-headed. And go. Are you serious? What are you waiting for? Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. If you guys aren't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button as well. If you guys want some behind-the-scenes access, we actually started posting up some Patreon-only pictures. Really? Thank you. Good job. You thought about coming over. So, Patreon-only pictures to Patreon, you know, for the patrons of Miss Blockhead's bike build. So we've got some exclusive stuff on there if you guys want to check it out. Check out the link in the description below, or patreon.com/blockheadmoto, like I said, for that exclusive behind the scenes-ness. And yeah, until next time, you guys ride safe out there, stay vigilant, good luck with all of these guys, and catch y'all later. Deuces.